I'm always looking for a faster, better, and easier way to wash my car, especially a shampoo that provides lots of foam. So I purchased this Adams Ultra Foam car washing shampoo. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it and show you why I just love it. I'll also detail a couple of things that, well, aren't just quite perfect. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description down below. This shampoo is perfect when used in either a foam gun or a foam cannon, because specifically that's what it was designed for. So it produces lots of foam, so it washes your car without the chance of scratches. While it's extremely effective for car washing, it's also gentle enough not to dye your trim or your plastic components. It's made from a pH neutral formula, so it gives your vehicle a super thorough wash without stripping any existing waxes or sealants. Once rinsed, the state-of-the-art product creates a thin layer of protection using polymer-based chemical technology and an unbeatable shine. Supposedly, the state-of-the-art chemical formulation allows you to wash your vehicle in full sunlight and suspends any harmful mineral content in your water. But I'd still wash my car in the shade every time. This ultra concentrated product creates a slick feel, lubricating all of your paint surfaces as it lifts dirt away and produces the chance of ever damaging your clear coat. It's made in USA. Gotta love that. And it's super easy to use. So first you need to rinse your car. Then you can use it in one of two ways. You can either use your garden hose and a foam gun, or you can use a pressure washer and a foam cannon. If you use a pressure washer and a foam cannon, you need 1.3 gallons per minute flow and 870 psi for proper operation. It's always best to add water to the bottle of your foam gun or foam cannon first, and then add 3 ounces of the Adams Ultra Foam shampoo. And if you want, you can even use it in hot water up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. But there are a couple of things you need to keep in mind. You'll get more foam from a foam cannon connected to a pressure washer than you will get from a foam gun connected to a garden hose. Also, if your car is ceramic coated or waxed, not all of the foam will stick to your car. Some of it will start to slide off. Also, be sure to thoroughly wash out the soap and rinse from your gun or cannon to prevent clogging. Click here for my complete car washing video and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.